Dear students, I am Rahul Gupta and just this is my subject chemistry, and we just to discuss about class 9 topic, that is the structure of atom chapter 4. So dear students, these are some topics which I will explain in this video. That is topic 1 is atomic number, topic 2 mass number, 3rd electron distribution in different orbitals, electronic configuration, valence electron and valency. These topics is very important topic for chemistry. So one by one we just to discuss about these topic in these videos. Dear students, if we will discuss about the atomic number, so if you want to find out any element in a periodic table, then firstly you know about the elements. So elements, what you will tell. If you know about a symbol like C, C is a letter of alphabets in English, but in chemistry C represent carbon. It means that represent atomic number and mass number. And we are discussing first atomic number. So C atomic number carbon of is 6. It means what atomic number explain? Atomic number is number of protons in a atom and number of electrons present in a neutral atom. So we can say that atomic number represent the number of protons in an atom present in a nucleus of the element and number of electrons present in a neutral atom of an element. This is for atomic number of element. Second one, this is mass number. Mass number, it means how much mass present in a element. Mass number is depend on atomic number. It means number of protons in an atom and number of neutrons. Both are present in nucleus. It means if we are explaining about the mass of an element, that is the mass of a nucleus of an element. It means mass number is equals to number of protons in an atom and number of neutrons in an atom. Okay students, so mass number, you can say that mass is a nucleus of an element. Third one, electron distribution in different orbitals. Dear students, you know very well, according to different theories, electron distributed in different orbitals. If we will discuss about the Bohr's model, then Bohr's model tell that electrons present in a special orbitals where the orbital contain energy. It means electrons are present in some orbitals. Like that, if we will calculate the electron distribution, then electron distribution by this formula, that is Bohr-Waring scheme, that is 2n square, and by this structure we can understand that how much electrons present in a different orbital. Like this is nucleus of an atom and that is first orbital k cell, and there is 2 electrons. How will you calculate the electrons present in an orbital? Then n is the number of orbital of an atom. If we will put n equals to 1, then number of electrons of k cell will be 2 and L cell contain 10 electrons. By this formula you can calculate that how much electrons present in different orbitals k, L, M, N. First orbital contain 2 electrons, second 10 electrons, third 18 electrons and fourth 32 electrons. That is K, L, M, N cells, and these are electron distribution in different orbitals. If you want to calculate that how many electrons are present in different orbitals of any element, then you just take example like then nitrogen. Atomic number is 7. So how will you calculate the number of electrons present in different orbitals? That will be, firstly you have to distribute electronic configuration. First orbital contain 2 electrons and remaining electrons goes to second orbital. It means first orbital k cell 2 electrons and L cells 5 electrons. Next one, electronic configuration.